Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you learners? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health at your home. I'm your maths teacher Hirarsha. Today I will tell you about the exercise subject math. Exponent is our topic. Lecture number 11. We have discussed about exponents in last lectures. We just discussed the fill in the blanks and true false. Now I will tell you how to solve the questions of this exercise. See the question number 3. Express the following as rational numbers. You have to express the question into rational numbers. We have given question number 3 part number 1. The question is that 4 by 5 part 2. How we can express it as rational number. So we have to write it 4 by 5 and 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is multiplied itself 2 times, so I have write it like that. So now multiply 4 with 4 and 5 with 5. We got 16 by 25. This is our rational number. Similarly, you can solve the other all parts of this question. Next, question number 4. Express as parts of rational numbers. Okay, the next question is question number 4. Question is that express as parts of rational numbers. We have to write in exponent form. Parts of rational numbers. 27 by 125. Now, what is the digit which will be multiplied itself to get 27? 3 will be multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. Then it multiplied by 3. 9 3s are 27. So the number will be 3. The next number is 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 25 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 will be carried. 5 2s are 10 and 2 12. 125. So 3 and 5 will be written as exponent like that. 3 by 5 part 3. 3 by 5 multiplied by 3 itself 3 times, so the exponent will be 3, the part will be 3. Similarly, you can solve all the other questions, all the other parts of this question. See, minus 64 divided by 125. Which number will be multiplied by itself to get the result minus 64? Part number 3 of question number 4. So 2 will be multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. No, 2 will be not a number like that. We have multiplied 5 with 5 and with 5 to get the result 125. But the number, which number will be multiplied like that to get the result 64? So I have to multiply 4 with minus 4 with minus 4 to get the result minus 64. 4 4s are 16. The result will be plus 16. When plus 16 will be multiplied by minus 4, plus minus will be minus. 16 4s are 64 divided by 125. So the number is 4 cube. 4 by 5 का cube. We can write minus 64 by 125 as 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5 par 3 or minus 4 by 5 exponent 3 to get the results minus 64 by 125. The next question, question number 5. Question number 5 part number 1. Minus 2 by 3 multiply by minus 3 by 2. Now, are the exponents same? No, the exponents are not same. Are the bases are same? No, the bases are also not same. How can we solve this question according to formula? If the bases are same and exponents are different, then according to law number 3, but here nor the exponents are same nor the bases are same, so we will multiply it like that. Minus 2 multiply by minus 2 multiply by minus 2. We have to find the values of these expressions. 3 will be multiplied by minus 3 will be multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and then minus 3 will be multiplied by minus 3. Why we write just minus 3 to 2 times? Because the exponent is 2, so 2 will be written 2 times also. The result will be minus 8 by 3 and minus plus 3 3s are 9 by 4. So 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, minus 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. The result will be minus 6. Similarly, you can solve all the other expressions, all the other rational numbers into simple form. Simplify and express the result in power notation. You have to express these values into power notation. How you can solve them? Question number 6, part number 1. I am doing only just part because all the parts are same. You can solve it by your own. Part 1, 4 by 5. Part 5 multiplied by 4 by 5. Part 3. Okay, we have discussed the rules. If the bases are same and par are different, the pars will be add. So bases are same, 4 by 5 and 4 by 5. I will write 4 by 5 only one time. This is the rule number 1. According to rule number 1. Okay, pars will be added. 5 plus 3, 4 by 5 into 8. The exponent will be 8 and the base will be 4 by 5. This is the par notation and simplified. All the other parts in this question will be solved according to that. Question number 7. Simplify the following. You have to solve the questions, simplify the questions. Question number 7, part number 1. 2 power 3 multiplied by 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 8. Okay, according to rule number 1, if the bases are same, then the powers will be added. 2 power will be added, 3 plus 5 divided by 2 power 8. Now the result will be 2 power 8 divided by 2 power 8. If the bases are same and the operator between them is division, the operator between them is multiplication, then rule 1 will be applied. If the bases are same but the operator between them will be division, then the result will be 2 power 8 minus 8. Powers will be subtracted. Result will be 0. So according to rule number 3, but here this is the last rule which we have discussed, rule number 6. The result will be 1. Any value which have the exponent as 0, the result will be 1. We have discussed that if the power of any exponent, any rational number will be 0, 3 power 0 is equal to 1, 2 by 5 power 0 is equal to 1, because every rational number which have the power 0, the result will be 1. It is the rule number 6. Now question number 8. Fill in the blanks to make the following statement correct. You have to solve them according to rules. You can solve it. Question number 9. Same as it is we have discussed question number 7. Question number 10. Same as it is we have done question number 6. Question number 11. Question number 11 is same as it is. You have to done all the question according to this one. We have only do next the question number 12, 13, 14 and question number 12 is that if a block weighs 5 power 2 kg, what would be the weight of wall built with 5 par 4 such blocks. We have to solve the question. The blocks built with wall built with 5 by 4 blocks. First of all, the statement will be written that block five par 2 kg. The wall weight 5 par 4 kg. We have to find the uh, blocks like that. So the result will be 5 par 2 multiplied by 5 par 4. We have to find the total kgs of wall which have the blocks like that. If a block weighs 5 par 2, a block weighs 5 par 2, the weight of wall with such blocks 5 par 4. So the result will be 5 par 8. Sorry, 6. Because when the bases are same, the pars will be added. 5 par 6. Question number 13 is that Nadeem owns a poultry farm. If there are 21 par 2 hens on the farm and each hen lays 2 par 2 every day, how many eggs would Nadeem have in a week? We have a days in a week are 7. Eggs laid by a hen are 2 par 2 and the hens in the farm are 21 par 2. So all the values, all the exponents, rational numbers with pars will be multiplied. The result will be 21 par 2 multiplied 2 par 2 multiplied by 7. You can solve it by question number 13. Hens in poultry farm. 21 par 2. Eggs laid by each hen 2 par 2. Eggs in a week. Eggs in a week. Days in a week are 7 days. So 7 will be multiplied by 2 par 2 and 2 par 2 will be multiplied by 21 par 2. The result will be of these multiplication. Question number 13 will be done like that. Question number 14. A collector divided 48 beads equally into different containers. If there are 4 par 2 containers, how many beads are contained in each container? 48 beads equally into different containers. Total beads. Question number 14. Total beads in container are 48. And if there are 4 par 2 containers, total containers 4 par 2 means 16 containers. How many beads are contained in each container? So we have to divide 48 with 16 to get the result. 4 beads will be contained in each container. Question number 15. Question number 15 is that Haris owns 2 par 6 toy cars. Haris has cars. How many cars? 2 par 6. If he gives an equal number of cars to 16 children, cars given to 16 children. How many cars does each child get? So 2 power 6 will be divided by 16. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 divided by 16. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. 64 by 16. Or you can write it like that: 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6 divided by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. These will be cut out with these. The result will be 8. 8 cars are contained. 8 cars will be given to each children. Thank you. The exercise question of this exercise which you have to done are question number 8, question number 9, question number 10 and question number 11. All the other questions are done by me. If you have any confusion in this exercise, you have to inbox me or comment in below. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.